Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see if you are mistakenly changed something in color management and you want to reset your color setting, especially on Windows 11 guys. Let's jump straight into it guys. Click right click on start menu and go to settings. Here you want to select system over here and you want to go to display. Scroll down guys, you want to go to advanced display and refresh rate over here. Now we want to select display adapter properties. Here you want to go to color management tab over here. To adjust color management setting, click color management, click on it. You want to go to advanced tab over here. You want to select change system defaults. In here you want to go to advanced over here. In here you want to click on use Windows display calibration checkmark here, and it will change to default color settings guys. Close out of here. That's it for today's video. I hope this today definitely helpful guys. Go and restart your PC for make changes guys. Thanks for watching my video.